Hi gamers, this is Shruti, your guide for today, and I'll be showing you how to set up your PS4. With the PS4, you get a console, controller cable, HDMI cable, power cable, and 2 controllers. Connect your power cable to a power supply, and the other end here. Now you have to connect your HDMI cable, one end to the TV and one end to the HDMI slot of the PS4. We also have the controller cable which needs to be put in the PS and the other end to the controller. All set. Now we have to hit the power button on the PS. Now you need to press the PS button on the controller. Now remember guys, once you hit the PS button on the controller, this controller will be the primary controller, so you cannot use the secondary controller for navigation. You can only use this controller. After that, this screen pops up where you need to select this profile. Now after entering, the first thing you do is connect to the internet. So you go to the settings, network, set up internet connection, use Wi-Fi, custom, and connect to the preferred Wi-Fi. This is how your home screen is going to look like. So now you can play the game of your choice.